Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again. So today, tutorial gonna be pretty quick. Get straight to it. I'm gonna cut his locks off. I'm gonna shape it up, and then we're gonna do a skin fade. As you see, I'm starting the process. After I cut his locks off, I'm gonna shampoo and condition his hair, blow dry it, pick it out, make it all the way even, and then do the skin fade. As you see, I'm just picking it out. Went ahead and shampooed and conditioned it. I'm going ahead and blow drying it. I'm shaping it up. Lever fully closed. Lever open. Lever halfway. One guard fully closed. Open. Halfway. 1.5 guard. Line him up. Just like that. Very easy, very simple. Y'all stay tuned. I'm making my tutorials a lot faster now. As y'all can see, just like that. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.